What to do if your BetMGM app is not loading. Now, if your BetMGM app isn't loading or working for some reason, there are a couple of things to check. First of all, you want to make sure your Wi-Fi or internet is working just fine. After you've made sure of that, what you want to do is to simply open up settings. Once you open up settings on Android, you can go to apps, search for BetMGM app, and go to storage and cache. Then make sure to clear the cache files and make sure to clear the storage. If you are using iPhone, you must go to settings and offload the application. Now after you've done that, simply go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the BetMGM app, check if the app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, make sure to update it as it will fix most of the old bugs and issues. Now last but not the least, whenever you're opening the app, if it says this kind of error like maybe no internet connection or something, then in that case it could be that BetMGM is not available in your region and hence it is limited to you. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.